Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Udaipur. We are exiting our property and we are now going to Oberoi Uday Villas. If you guys don't know what that is, it's the most luxurious hotel in all of India. That's where we are headed to and we are going for a beautiful brunch out there. Are you excited? Let's go.
ओबेरॉय उदय विलास में एंटर करते ही ऐसा लग रहा था कि किसी पैलेस में आ चुका हूँ.
The architecture here was insane. This is the Udaipur that we saw in movies, guys.
And yes, यहाँ पे मूवी की शूटिंग भी हो चुकी है. ये जवानी है दीवानी इसी होटल में शॉट की गई थी. भाई मेरे पास तो इतने पैसे नहीं कि मैं एक रात इधर रुक सकूं. So we have come just for a brunch date.
Guys, Shefali wants to get married here.
भाई इधर शादी करनी है तो मिनिमम 50 करोड़ तो लगेंगे ही. तुम छोड़ो खाने पे फोकस करो.
One lal mas as always. One lamb biryani for a change, one mutton run which is a leg piece of a mutton, and jodhpuri lachha paratha, and what else, one tandoori roti and some drinks.
भाई जगह इतनी सुंदर थी कि खाना भी ओवर ऑर्डर हो गया.
I'm starting off with biryani because we've been eating roti for far too long now.
ये लो भाई 2500 रुपए की बिरयानी है.
For the first time in Udaipur, I'm eating something that is not loaded in oil. Biryani, I liked it. She didn't because she can't do elaichi flavor. Moving on to my mains. This is the lal mas. The waiter suggested that we should try this with Jodhpuri lachha paratha. I've never eaten this.
जोधपुरी लच्छा पराठा with लाल मास, honestly goated combination.
We are done with lunch. We're gonna go inside now for dessert because it's burning hot here.
And we can't sit here anymore.
We can't sit here anymore.
भाई जितनी सुंदर आउटडोर सीटिंग थी उतनी ही बढ़िया इंडोर सीटिंग भी थी. एंड हाँ, डिजर्ट्स का प्राइस थोड़ा रीजनेबल था.
That is our kulfi. It's on a stick. And this is tiramisu. It is a lot of tiramisu. Compare it to Shefali's face. It's bigger than her face.
No complaints on portion sizes, and also the taste was
mental good. Guys, the best part about dining at Oberoi is that once you're done with your meal, you get to explore the property like you're a resident. In the background, you can see Lake Pichola.
No doubt प्रॉपर्टी बहुत सुंदर है, बट तुम पर नाइट कॉस्ट गेस करो. भाई अगर तुम सीजन के टाइम में जाओ यानी नवंबर, दिसंबर या जनवरी, तो यहाँ पे पर नाइट का कॉस्ट मिनिमम 50,000 रुपीज पड़ेगा.
So we saw the best property in India, guys.
फिर ये बगी आई और हमें बाहर तक ड्रॉप करी. नाउ लेट्स गो बैक टू आवर होटल एंड गो फॉर मोर फूड. बट फर्स्ट शॉपिंग. राजस्थान गए और कपड़े नहीं खरीदे, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता.
Feels like Rajasthan.
Now let's go try some Rajasthani chaats and sweets.
And she's as always lost in her phone.
Bro, don't say that. They will be like, oh, she's not into you.
She's not into me. She doesn't give attention.
I'm sending my mom pictures of sarees.
Starting with dahi puri, जो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा, but Shefali didn't enjoy it as much. She really liked this घेवर. It was her first time trying it and she went crazy over it. इसने तो घर के लिए भी पैक करवाया.
So right now we've changed and we're heading out for dinner. So here's where we're doing dinner. It's called Rajbagh. Wow. Can you guys see the lake? Bro, you want a picture? First only you take off. After dinner we won't look good. Bro, this place is mental pretty and cool breeze also. This is the view from where we are seated, guys. One good thing is lighting is good. Right? It's well lit. You look pretty. You can say thanks. And you can give me a compliment in return.
You always look pretty.
I always look pretty. Let's show the audience. Show them the chilled Diet Coke. Can you guys see the bubbles forming on the outsides?
Oh, outside.
That first sip of Diet Coke on a summer evening. Heaven.
वैसे उदयपुर की एक और खासियत है कि भले ही दिन में कितनी भी धूप हो, शाम को ठंडी हवा जरूर चलती है.
Starting off with a mutton seekh kebab, guys. I mean, the plating is terrible. Let's be honest. Very few places here in Udaipur care about how their food looks.
That's
First,
true.
this taste
Udaipur
chutney
does
and
not
chutney
really care
are very
about
good. She
food
already
presentation,
tasted
but the taste usually speaks for itself.
let me see.
But this time ना presentation अच्छा था और ना ही taste.
Guys, it's horrible. That chaat masala on top. Or leave it as it is. Spices are like overpowering as fuck.
Let's hope that this lal mas is better than the seekh kebab.
So that's the best lal mas
Really?
so far that we've eaten.
The place is very pretty, by the way. Behind you, it looks so pretty.
And that's true. Ragbagh restaurant might not care about the food presentation, but the ambience is spot on.
It is the best so far, right?
Very fresh.
Very fresh, yes, and the flavors are nice on this one.
This tastes overall much better.
Overall, the best lal mas, right?
Mutton is also good.
Mutton is also great. I'm liking this one. And now we're gonna go for dessert. we're going to go to the same place. What is it? 1559 or 1589? Let's go. We're sitting inside. We're having a look at the desserts. I think we're going to do 3 desserts. Madam, you can have a look. I know at the end of it I'm only ordering, but you can skim through the menu just so that you feel included. So our first dessert, Firni, is here. Shefali has never eaten Firni in her life. Taste it. I'm surprised that you didn't eat Firni at a buffet ever.
Oh,
Rice pudding. You like it?
it's nice.
Oh wow. Mental. Let's get our kulfi and rabdi. What happened? Why you lost? Are you lost in taste? Lost in me. I'm not even talking to you. I'm talking to my audience. Let's go. Hectic dinner खत्म करने के बाद, desserts खत्म करने के बाद, we are back to our property, Hotel Lakeend, and we are by the Fateh Sagar Lake now.
अब ये है उदयपुर का आखिरी दिन एंड वी वांटेड टू ईट लाल मास वन लास्ट टाइम बट फर्स्ट हियर्स अ फिट चेक. यार किसी ने बोला था कि लाल मास के साथ बाटी ज़रूर खा के देखना, सो हम आ चुके हैं ट्रिब्यूट रेस्टोरेंट टू गिव दिस अ शॉट.
So guys, this is what we have ordered at Tribute Restaurant. This is our smoked mutton, that is a chicken tikka, and this is bati with lal mas. Oh yeah, and also a tiny laddu. That is not tiny. It's pretty big, but yeah, we've ordered a decent amount of food. So that's dripping in oil. Can you taste that heavy ghee though? Onion के साथ?
Yeah.
Just look at that, guys.
Now बाटी विथ लाल मास जब मैंने ट्राई किया आई हैड मच हायर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. जिस तरह से लोग मेरे को बता रहे थे आई फेल्ट लाइक इट्स गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट थिंग, बट इन माय ओपिनियन द लच्छा पराठा एंड लाल मास वाज वे बेटर.
Shefali trying bati for the first time in her life. She doesn't know what to say. Done with lunch, guys. Heading out now. Where do we go? So we've decided that we're gonna walk for a bit now. Bro, this is a very pretty bylane. If that dog chases you, you can't even run, no? You've never had a rabies injection, no? I've had once. Funny story, okay? I'll tell you what had happened. So this is back in 2014. Back when I was in 8th standard, I had just gotten back home from school and I decided that let's go out for some charts. So पानी पूरी खाने गया था, साइकिल में जा रहा था. आप देख रहे हो heights of laziness. I wouldn't even walk. साइकिल लेके गया and I was cycling by this pack of dogs, okay? And this one dog, he just started chasing me. And then I started shouting, hey, hey, hey. And then I started cycling even faster. Mistake. I should have just stopped there and I should have confronted the dog. Rather, I showed fear and I started cycling faster. And then that dog bit me on my thigh and you could see the entire jaw ka shape on my thigh. But that's not the funny part. The funny part is, after getting bit, I still went and ate my pani puri. And then went back home and then घर पे मेरे को डांट पड़ी कि पागल है क्या, सीधा डॉक्टर के पास क्यों नहीं गया.
That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.